First of all, a very good morning to one and all present here. I hope everyone is doing awesome and having an amazing day. I am Bhavya Solanki of class 10th rows.
And I am Palak Poddar of class 10th Lotus.
And I am Anuradha Chaudhary of class 9th rows.
And we are from Devi Public School, Pratap Vihar, Ghaziabad.
And are here to present our project for the competition ATL Marathon 2020-21. The main objective of our project is to do innovation, to develop solutions, to transform villages and towns to make them hybrid and smart. And its solution is air purifier. Nowadays, the main problem faced by the people either from a village or a town is pollution. So we tried to reduce this air pollution through this air purifier. Now, you all have questions in your mind related to air purifier. That what is it, how does it function, and will it also helpful for the people living in remote areas? So, an air purifier or an air cleaner is a device which removes contaminants from the polluted air to improve the air quality. Here we use natural and renewable materials which have no demerits, and that too in a very cheaper way. So everyone can easily afford it. And now my friend Palak will further explain you its functioning.
So, without wasting your time, let me explain the whole functioning of this air purifier. As you all can see, the whole apparatus of the air purifier. Here we can use the common things like container, PVC pipe, motor, fan, pump, wire, plug key, and of course a battery as a source of energy. In this purification system, air enters through this pipe, move towards the container containing water which help to sediment the impurities present in the air, and this purified air move towards the next pipe with the help of fan, and due to this process the water is also get impure, and this impure water then move towards the next container containing sand and charcoal. This help to purify this water, and that purified water again move to the first container, and this process was continuing. Now my friend Anuradha will tell you about the roles played by us in making of this project.
In this project, the whole apparatus of air purifier is made by all three of us. That is Palak, Bhavya and I. The documentation of this project is being made by Bhavya. Our project became successful because of the efforts by our team members and our respective teachers. Each of us gave their best effort to make it. We hope you like our project.
Thank you
And have a nice day.